It is
Okay,
active.
okay, that's great.
Yeah,
Please tell
yeah,
me if I'm properly visible and audible.
yeah, ma'am. You are properly visible
Okay.
and audible also. Yeah,
So,
yeah,
have you had your lunch?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I have done. And what's
Oh,
about you?
no, not yet. I'll take my lunch later after the session maybe.
Okay, so ma'am, you take your lunch after 2 p.m. after 2:15.
No, the thing is that there is no time. It depends when I wake up. So when I wake up early, I take my lunch early. When I wake up late, so it depends like that.
Okay, so it's
Depends
depend
on
you are so like there is no fixed time when do
no,
you wake up? No.
no. Is it the
Okay.
same with you, or is your timing fixed?
Yeah, ma'am, my timing is fixed. My time
That's
is fixed.
that's
Yeah,
good. We should have a proper time of waking up, and we should take our meals at the same time
yeah,
every day. But it's not able to manage that for me. But it is good if you are doing that.
yeah, ma'am. Actually, yeah, right. Like nowadays, I wake up 5:30 a.m.
Wow. How do you wake
Yeah,
up so early?
because uh, because I sleep very early.
Yeah, that's the thing, right? Obviously.
Yeah, like I take my dinner 8 p.m.
At 8 p.m.
at 8 p.m. Yeah,
Okay. Wow.
and yeah, and 10 or 10:30 between 10 and 10:30 p.m. I sleep. I sleep.
I sleep. Yeah.
I sleep. Yeah,
Yeah, that's right.
yeah,
One should do this. I will also try now to have a
yeah,
proper timing for everything.
yeah,
Okay. So, Bhuvan, I remember you told me that you want to join the banking sector, right?
yeah,
Okay. So today I have an extempore topic for you, and you will give an extempore speech. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So the topic is banking frauds.
Banking frauds.
Frauds, yes.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
So do you like the topic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, ma'am, right now I think in India, banking fraud cases are increasing day by day. So, as per uh, as per annual report of RBI, so this year 2.5 times more than cases than previous year
Okay. Cases.
cases. Yeah, yeah, and the main causes are I think banking officials are
Okay.
always involved, and in banking frauds always I think 98% 98% chunks
Okay.
in loaning amount, and 2% we can say other kinds of frauds. So with the bank with the with the help of bank officials so they do this kind of things, and without bank officials involvement is it not possible to do a banking fraud.
Without the involvement of the officials, right?
Yeah, without the involvement
Mm.
the involvement
Yeah, because without the involvement of the
yeah,
banking.
yeah, without the involvement, yeah. So yeah, these are the things. If we talk about like PNB,
Mhm,
uh, PNB Nirav Modi cases,
mhm.
so that time also bank officials were involved in that cases. So banking, so this is my this is the thing which I think, like banking officials play a main role in banking frauds. But sometime right now, like fraud, like there are multiple things right now. Like we are in virtual era, so we have to understand like never share your OTP. Like we always we we always see ads in TV, like RBI कहता है समझदार बनो, like so these are the things.
That's right. I
Yeah.
recently saw that web series, Jamtara, where they
Jump
have,
Jump Tara, yeah. Actually, this is my bucket. This
yeah,
is in my bucket list.
in your bucket list. Yes, you
In
should
my
watch
bucket list.
this. Yes, it is good. I recently,
Jantara.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it is about the same, these banking frauds, and
Frauds.
they
Yeah.
call them and they ask for the OTP, and
OTP.
the people, yeah,
Like
even,
yeah, yeah. like they use various platform to uh, like like do you know about eSIM concept?
No,
eSIM
no,
eSIM concept.
no, no.
Like right now we are using physical SIM.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you are using like a higher version phone,
Mm-hmm.
above Apple 10, so like
Mm-hmm.
in those kind of phone they have a facility of virtual
Okay.
SIM.
Mm-hmm.
So through eSIM also people are frauding.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is very easy to fraud.
Tourism.
Yeah, to eSIM. If you are
Oh.
using eSIM, so
Mm-hmm.
they will send you mail like
Okay.
I think right now Vodafone or Airtel.
Mm-hmm.
These are the two companies who are providing eSIM facilities. I'm not sure about Geo.
Mm-hmm.
So sometime the frauder will provide the frauder will send you message like airtel123.com and send this email. So if you click that email,
Mm-hmm.
so basically they will give a scanner code, a QR
Okay.
code.
Mm-hmm.
So company Airtel company will give you a QR code.
Mm-hmm.
If that QR code will uh, like
It
that
will
QR
scan code. Yeah. So they
QR
might get some information from us, right?
yeah. So they get all the things order,
You mean they get all the data, all the information like
all
that?
the data. Yeah.
Okay.
So right, yeah,
That is so dangerous, these days. And that's why people say you should not click any link which is provided by some random user. If you don't know the person, you should
yeah,
not.
yeah, yeah,
That's the most important.
yeah. And right now, ma'am, I think our data, our data, uh, like every like all of the companies, all of the big companies, they have our data, and they can manipulate it. They can handle it very
That's
easily. Sometime you noticed, sometime like sometime car insurance, uh, like loan department, they call you, they call you. So
right.
how do they get our numbers? How?
Getting
So
these numbers is very easy these days because
very get easier.
you know what? It started when we just had crossed our 12th standard. I remember
Yeah,
we finished the 12th standard and we were looking for colleges, and then we were getting calls and text messages from various
like
colleges,
very yeah,
like not even from my state UP but from other states as well. So I was
yeah.
very confused, how is this even happening? And then I thought our data is obviously never safe, so it
Never
started
safe. Yeah,
then. But now I know whenever I'm writing my number, I know that I'm going to get some calls regarding the same thing. That is
yeah,
obviously because now I think maybe because I wrote JEE exam, so maybe it happened through that, or maybe they got the data from our schools. You never know.
you
But
never know. Yeah,
even these days I'm getting very stupid text messages like do this job and get and it's like work from home jobs. There are so many of them. I don't know how they're getting these numbers and how they are forwarding these messages.
yeah. And I'm out. Yeah, right now I'm also getting like
Okay.
health fitness messages like
Okay.
COVID-19. Yeah, if you want
Yeah.
to,
Yeah. And
yeah,
yeah, text messages like
text messages.
of
Yeah,
COVID-19 work from home and
yeah,
earn money, all that. Yeah. So
yeah. So our data is not safe,
it's
not
never
safe.
safe.
And if you are in any virtual, if you are using any virtual medium, like if you are in Facebook, Insta, like this type of thing, so your data is not safe,
Right.
not safe. Yeah,
That's so
yeah,
true. Okay. One thing I would want to mention, as you said earlier, that in many frauds, always the banking official is involved. So we can't say always because we don't know all the cases, right? We will never be able to know all the cases in the world. You can say many times most of the times like that, because we are not certain of a number, right? We're not sure of any particular digit. So you will say in many cases, in almost many cases, almost all the,
Almost,
but you can't say
almost.
in all the cases. Yeah, you
Okay,
can't just have give a statement like that, right?
okay.
Because
Because yeah, so
so
it mean
hmm,
so it mean which when I'm using always, so that time I am 100% sure.
yeah, like
Okay.
you can say that I always wake up at 5:30, because that is
Yeah,
a statement about you, about
yeah,
yourself. You can mention that. But if you don't have any information, any statistics about something other than you, other than some any field, let's say, so you can't say like always a banking official is involved, right?
most of the times I can say
That
most
could
of,
be, yeah, you can say many times some
many
official is,
times,
or most of the times, it's also correct,
most of the times.
right?
Okay.
That will not that will be an inappropriate statement if
Yeah.
somebody hears it, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, and after that you said that it is a main reason of the banking frauds.
So I have to say it could be a main reason.
It could be a reason, or it is the main reason.
It is the main reason.
Yeah, a main reason, no, it is the main reason.
It is the
The
main.
article the will be used here, right? The main reason.
Okay.
And also, when you say about something that it mean this, no, because we are mostly talking about singulars when we say it. So it means, okay,
It means
it means,
S.
yes,
Okay. It
right,
means.
yeah.
Okay.
So how do you think one should prevent these frauds, and one should be safe,
Yeah, ma'am. Like we have to aware, and
be aware?
also yeah, we be aware whenever we using um, virtual medium. Like um, sometime we use net banking.
Mm-hmm.
So that time we have also aware, and we do not write our password anywhere.
Right, that's true.
Yeah, yeah, and
We
also
always provide them the OTP they send us, right?
yeah, provide yeah OTP. Yeah, yeah, and we should follow RBI guidelines
Okay.
because always RBI says समझदार बनो. So we
Right.
yeah, so we should follow RBI guidelines always. And and do you know RBI have ombudsman also. If you are if you are facing, if suppose there is a banking fraud with you,
Mhm,
suppose that,
mhm.
and if banking official are not listening you,
Officials are not
yeah,
listening.
banking officials are not listening to you,
Mhm.
so you can go banking ombudsman.
Okay.
Yeah, so so they can help you, they will
Okay. So
help you.
that
Yeah,
online thing, you can access that online.
yeah, also yeah, you can
Okay.
also access online
Mhm.
through RBI. Yeah,
Oh, okay. That's good.
yeah,
That I did not know about that.
yeah, because RBI is the father of all banks.
Hmm. Right.
If you yeah, so RBI control all the banks, all the banks.
RBI
Yeah,
control
yeah, RBI controls, or RBI controls,
controls. Yeah.
controls all the bank. Yeah, and in our last session we are talking about Harshad Mehta.
Hmm. Yeah.
Harshad Mehta,
We
we
were
were
talking.
talking about Harshad Mehta.
Yeah.
So I had said that day, like Harshad Mehta made a lot of money through stock market, but not a right manner.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that time RBI governor involved in that case, in
Ooh.
that case.
The RBI governor himself was involved in
No, no,
that.
no, like not involved. Like RBI governor wanted to reveal.
Okay. 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 All
So
right.
yeah, yeah. So with the help of Sushita Dalal,
Hmm.
Dalal, the
Mm-hmm.
whole the whole conspiracy, I think,
Mm-hmm.
whole
Conspiracy.
conspiracy, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
whole conspiracy revealed.
Okay. Conspiracy was revealed. Revealed.
Conspiracy, yeah, was revealed. Yeah,
Okay. All right. Um, and yeah, since you are mentioning RBI, you said RBI have
govern
have something. So we will consider RBI a single body. Okay, we will say
single body.
RBI has.
RBI, RBI has.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing you said when the frauder is doing something, we just
Frauder.
say fraud. The
Fraud.
noun is fraud. Yeah,
Okay. So the person who does fraud
is a fraud. He
is
is
a
a
fraud.
yeah,
Fraud.
right.
Okay.
Because I've never heard this word frauder, so it is fraud. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fraud.
I'm 99% sure it's fraud.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So if I do something, I'm a fraud. Okay, not a frauder.
Not a frauder. Okay.